Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how AI is writing stories, creating images, and even help you in coding? That's exactly generative AI is all about. So, what is generative AI? It's a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content like text, images, videos, and even music just like humans. But why do we need generative AI? It saves our time, boosts our creativity, and it do complex tasks much easier. Whether you are a student, developer, or a content creator, it helps you to work smarter and faster. Here are real-time examples of generative AI chatbots that answer your questions instantly, AI platforms that generate images, and there are other AI platforms that create videos or writing text easier. Here are three AI tools, generative AI tools for your best. One is ChatGPT for text and conversations, and second is DALL-E for image generations, and third is GitHub Copilot for your coding assistance. So generative AI is not just a trend; it's shaping the future of technology. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching, keep exploring the AI. Thank you.